Hello and welcome. This is Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. A month ago, when I told you about my collaboration with LiveSpace and asked you to send me all your design and decor related queries, I received a lot of queries from you guys. And editor from LiveSpace has clubbed similar queries together and has answered them. In this video, we have solutions of 5 design related queries, and all the other queries we are going to answer in next video. Now little about LiveSpace. LiveSpace is an e-commerce based interior design company that designs, delivers and installs interiors. In case you want to know more about LiveSpace, then you can check out the link that I have added in the description box below. First query is asked by Vidushi. Vidushi has asked, could you please suggest what kind of wardrobes will not make a room look smaller, rather make it look spacious? And what is the ideal internal configuration of such wardrobes? Okay, Vidushi, we have answer for your query. For internal configuration, you can check out the link that I have added in the description box, and here is LiveSpace design solution. Use sliding door. Most urban homes don't have the luxury of space to accommodate swing open or hinged wardrobes. A cupboard design with sliding doors is not just contemporary in design and cool to look at. They serve the purpose of being space efficient. You save the space usually used up by the hinged wardrobe stores. Next, you can use lofts. Lofts provide more storage for things that are not accessed on an everyday basis, like suitcase boxes and memorabilia and many other things like that. And you can use mirrors also, like get mirror door for the wardrobe. And third point is go minimal in your approach. The lesser the clutter, the more spacious the room looks. And in case if you want hinged wardrobe, then you can check out the link that I have added in the description box. You'll get lots of designs there. Second query is asked by Hibna Akbar. She has asked, my bedroom is really small, 11 by 9 square feet, so wanted to know how to place the cot and wardrobe and how to decorate it so that the room looks spacious. Hibna, actually without proper layout it is not possible to give you proper answer, but to make your bedroom look spacious, here are the few pointers that you can follow. So first point is keep it light. Use of light color will make your room look bigger. And second thing, embrace minimalism. That means declutter your room and keep minimal furniture, whether it is a furniture, accents or accessories. It's always better to go minimalistic when it comes to decorating a small bedroom, like one bedside table instead of 2, and space saving furniture. Keep only the bare necessities when it comes to confined rooms and leave as much as free floor space as you can. Third point is keep it low. Low seating doesn't just give off a boho vibe, but is also a great opinion when you want to making your bedroom appear bigger. Fourth point is create an illusion. If you have a bare wall or a door in your room, try adding a mirror to that space. Mirrors create the ultimate illusion of a bigger room. Sixth point is drapes go high. That means hang your curtains high. So that's how you can make your bedroom look spacious, which is very small. Now the third query is asked by Priyadarshini Balu. Priyadarshini has asked, can we use white quartz in kitchen countertop? Will it be easy to maintain? Here is LiveSpace's design solution. Yes, white quartz can be used in the kitchen. It is more economical than marble, yet is a stunning countertop option. It is more durable than even marble and does not have a porous surface. It also offers a refined and sophisticated look to the kitchen. No matter if your kitchen is traditional or contemporary in design, it fits right in. The only drawback is that it may get discolored over time, but with due diligence and daily maintenance, you can keep quads looking as good as new. Now, next query is asked by Usha Reddy. Usha has asked, I want to renovate my kitchen. It has closed layout. I want to have open kitchen. I have problem with my back. I can't bend. I find that in modular kitchens, one needs to bend for utensils or spices. Can you help me with utensil section too? And here is your design solution, Usha, from Live Space. In modern homes, an open kitchen design perfectly suits our informal lifestyle and promotes sociability while whipping up meals. As far as getting ergonomically feasible storage options, the designers can help with internal accessories and a pantry unit that won't require a lot of bending. And Usha, I have added 2 links for you that will give you decor ideas for open kitchens and also shelving ideas for open kitchens. I hope you find it helpful. Now we are moving to the next question, which is asked by Frozen Rose. She has asked, what should be the colors of wall so that the room that has brown sofa looks full of energy? Here is your design solution from Live Space. There are multiple ways to make a brown couch look lively. You can use contrasting shades on the walls to highlight the couch, like bright blue or yellow. And you can use contrasting accessories like cushions, throws, rugs to draw attention to the couch. And if you have white walls, you can still highlight the couch with focused lighting options. And framing is the most important part. Ensure that the couch is placed so that it makes a proper frame with the window or bookshelf or wall accessory. This too can make the couch pop. So that's all for today, and we'll be coming up with next episode of Design Solutions very soon. In case you have any design or decor related query, then leave in the comment below. Till then, take care and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. See you then. Bye bye.